Man, isn't it absolutely amazing to be at an in-person event for a change? This is insane. So we started at Jimpulse during the pandemic. We launched the platform in end of January 2020. So basically every interaction we've had with the community, every interaction we had with our customers and our partners has all been virtual. And this is the second time, basically, ever since kind of launching the platform that I'm standing on an actual stage talking to real people, and you can't believe how amazing that feels. Much better than sitting behind my desk alone. So, yeah, actually, what is at Jimpulse? Well, maybe you've seen the booth that we have there. We're the leading development platform for machine learning on edge devices, where you have an open platform, people can sign up and go build real stuff for embedded systems using sensor data. So we need some time series component in this. So what do people use it for? Predictive maintenance on machines. NASA is using it to do some analysis on rockets. We have companies like Aura who make like smart rings, and they use Jimpulse to model sleep analysis. And there's more than 50,000. There's actually over 80,000 projects currently on Jimpulse, which is absolutely fucking tremendous. Like every day, there's 240 new projects being created. And not all of these are vision. Like we have a very big chunk of people doing accelerometer or current analysis, stuff with microphones, wake word detection, stuff like audible event detection, listening on steam pipes, that kind of stuff. But 40% of these projects are vision, and that's only growing because we launched our vision pipeline only a year ago.